Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will talk about the beneficence. Ihsan, linguistically, it is the opposite of isa'a, malevolence. Hasana, a good deed, is the opposite of sayyi'a, mean an evil deed. It is said a man is muhsin and mehsan, beneficent, good doer. It is also said ahsin, do be good, so and so, for you are Mehsan, meaning you are still a Muhsin. Uh, this is mentioned in Tajul Urus of Zabidi. Ihsan, technically, it is having ihsan, perfections, excellence in worshipping the Creator, by worshipping Allah as if one can see Him, and if one cannot see Him, then Allah see Him. It is being serious in upholding the rights of Allah in a most perfect way, fulfilling them surely. Having a son to the creation is expending all means to benefit each and every creature, but it changes depending on the object according to their status and rights. It also depends on a son itself, how well received and beneficial it will be, as well as the faith of Mohsin himself and what causes him to exhibit this virtue. And it is mentioned in Bahjatul Qulub, page number 206. Now we will talk about the difference between beneficence, ihsan, and bestowal, in'am. Beneficence is for one's own benefit as well as others, such that it may be said, ahsantu li nafsi, I have done good unto myself. Bestowal is solely for the benefit of others. Commandments of beneficence and enticement towards it in the Quran and Sunnah. Allah says, indeed, Allah commands justice, beneficence, and courtesy to close relatives. He forbids and